Let's make this delicious garlic steak with pepper and mushroom sauce. To your steak, add in salt, whole black peppercorns, crushed black pepper, garlic granules, because who wants to chop garlic, and crushed red chili. Add in your ginger garlic and mix well. To a pot, add in your ghee and then add in your marinated steak pieces. Grill for 20 to 30 minutes or until browned and soft. Keep aside. In a separate pot, add in your ghee, sliced mushrooms, salt, crushed black pepper, and garlic granules. Stir fry until the mushrooms have browned. Add it to a basic white sauce and you're ready to serve. Serve with Spanish rice, chips, or a side salad. Enjoy! Don't forget to like, share, and follow.